Hey, what's up, guys? Wanted to make a quick video for you today, sharing with you a niche that I saw that is starting to trend and could be a good opportunity for us merch by Amazon sellers. So the niche is in the anti-Biden niche. So the phrase or the niche is "Let's go to Brandon Falls." This is kind of a play off of a "Let's go Brandon" cross niche with, I believe, when Biden fell riding his bike or something like that. I don't know the exact story, but I'm starting to see a lot of these shirts pop up. A lot of these were just uploaded or were approved today. You're going to see they're all July 25th, July 25th, July 25th. There's only 81 results, so this is a niche with very low competition. And this niche could be a good opportunity for us because anything right now that's anti-Biden has the opportunity to sell very well. Right now, Biden is very unpopular. He's got low poll numbers. People are not liking, what he's doing. And so, anti-president shirts can do very well. So this could be a good opportunity for us. Again, only 81 results. You're going to see not too many BSR rankings. But again, we don't want to be fooled by that because they might just not have been updated. If we look at the bottom here, we're going to see the ones that have been selling. So right here, this is the one right here that's been selling. And then also this one right here. All right, so you can see this one's selling at 19 bucks. That's going to give you a nice, probably like $4 royalties. So, jump on this niche. This could be a good one. There's very low competition for it. If we go to test and we check to see if it's been trademarked, we hit enter, we're going to see nothing pops up. You can go to Vexels, and if you type in American flag, you can get some graphics there. I have an affiliate link in the description. So if you're interested in that, check it out. This could be a good spot for you to get some good graphics to make designs that say Brandon, or let's go to Brandon Falls. So check it out. Sorry I haven't been uploading in the past couple of days. I just haven't really been finding anything that's good enough to make some videos about. So finally found a good one. So get some designs uploaded in this niche. You can also upload them onto the other platforms. Redbubble, TeePublic, Etsy, Spreadshirt, Zazzle, Society6, all that. Make sure to put them on all type of products. You want to diversify yourself as much as possible, and hopefully you can get some sales from this niche. All right, thanks again for watching. Check out the affiliate links I have in the description. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.